Bonjour, Kinamagin in Ireland, Nadijnakas, coming to you with the answers to the Chapter 4 review questions. I will begin by saying that you should have done one problem per row on the middle page, done all of the matching as far as the vocabulary, and the evens on the final page. The point of this video is to give you a chance to compare your answers with the answers provided by the text. I will not be providing much in the way of explanations during this video, as we did a review session already on today, but I wanted you to have this as a resource. So let's go ahead and share our screen. Let's see the title page for this. And let's look at our answers. We're going to zoom in just a hair here. What is a compatible number? Numbers in a problem that are easy to compute mentally. Sometimes it's based on straight rounding. Sometimes it's just like, well, that one would be easier as long as it's close. There are times to round, and there are times to use compatible numbers. 2, dividend B, a number that is being divided. That's the number under the roof, and that is the whole being broken down. 3, divisor E is a number that divides the dividend. So it's the number outside. So in the problem, 25 divided by 5, the divisor is 5. And the dividend is 25. Quotient is F. That is the result of a division problem, or the answer to division problems. 5D, the number that is left after one whole number is divided by another. So it's the ones that won't go into a complete group. They're often marked with an R. So if it was 26 divided by 5, your quotient would be 5 remainder 1. That remainder 1 is remainder. And 6 is A, round to find the approximate value of a number. And sometimes we might do that with compatible numbers. So they're similar in that concept. So now looking at the answers. I'll read them just in order to kind of time it out, but won't be providing much in explanations. Remember that on this page, you're supposed to do one per each row. So number 7, 634 divided by 74, you're just had to estimate. So you could go 630 divided by 70 is equal to 9. And we did that because 7 goes into 63 pretty equally. Number 8, 311 divided by 49. The easiest one is 49 is pretty close to 50, and 31 is pretty close to 30. So we went 300 divided by 50, which is 6. D, 409 divided by 38. 38 is close to 40. 409 is close to 400. 400 divided by 40 is 10. Now in this part, you needed to divide. You could check your answer using multiplication. Number 10, 928 divided by 32 is 29. Number 11, 345 divided by 23 is 15. Number 12, 753 divided by 53 is 14, remainder 11. Next row, where you needed to do one of these three. 926 divided by 71 is 13, remainder 3. Number 14, 126 divided by 17 is 7, remainder 7. Number 15, 478 divided by 93 is 5, remainder 13. Now on this row, where you need to do one of these, estimate, then divide, check for reasonableness. Realistically, the division is the part that's being graded on it. Estimating isn't a bad idea to make as part of your natural process. But number 16, 85,120 divided by 76 is 1,120. Number 17, 54,184 divided by 26 is 2,084. And number 18, 25,600 divided by 25 is 1,024. Now number 19, in the next row, we need to do one of these three. 37,520 divided by 61 is going to be 615, remainder 5. Number 20, 16,859 divided by 41 is 411, remainder 8. And number 21, 75,578 divided by 53 is going to be 1,426. So let's go to the next page and review those. Number 22, Tito purchased 11 tickets to a baseball game for $374 about. So we're going to round. 11 is close to 10. You could have some options. You could have gone 370 or you could go 400. So your answer could be different than the one there, but it probably should either be $37 or $40. Number 24, Bennett has 107 photographs to place in the school yearbook. He will put the same number of photos on each of the 13 pages. If he can put 4 pictures in a row, how many photographs will not be placed in the yearbook? Answer: 3 photographs. 8 pictures will fit on a page. In this case, when you interpret the remainder, you're just going to end up leaving those ones out because pages are expensive. Number 26, a large farm tractor costs $98,424. If a farmer makes 36 equal payments, how much is each payment? So you divide 98,424 by 36 and you get 2,734. Hopefully that provided you just a quick glimpse on how you did. If you have any true outstanding questions, make sure you check with me prior to the beginning of the math test. I will probably give you a quick minute discussion before I assign the test on Tuesday. Hope you all have a minute. And Bumblebee.